Hello and welcome to Days. The topic for our video today is the iPhone 13. Even though it hasn't been too long since the iPhone 12 was launched, we are already receiving information about the next set of flagship Apple smartphones, the iPhone 13. The upcoming iPhone 13 series, or the iPhone 12s, may finally see a design overhaul after 4 generations since the launch of iPhone X in 2017. The report citing supply chain further adds that Apple may again launch 4 models in 2021, similar to the iPhone 12 series that was launched in 2020 and included the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. It claims that Apple may launch the new iPhones as iPhone 12s series. However, we haven't seen Apple launching S models since the launch of iPhone 6s in 2015. According to a new report coming out of Korea, Apple is set to launch its top 2 models of the next iPhone with 120Hz OLED displays. For this, Samsung Display and LG Display will be the prime suppliers for these iPhone 13 panels. As per the report, the top 2 Pro variants, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, will feature the long rumored 120Hz ProMotion display. Interestingly, this is in contrast to an earlier report that claims all the models will boast of high refresh rates. It is further suggested that the base variants, i.e., the iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13, will come with LTPS, while the Pro variants, as mentioned above, will feature 120Hz LTPO display. For the uninitiated, LTPS is the low temperature polysilicon, while the LTPO is low temperature polycrystalline oxide. One of the most significant changes expected in the design is the notch. Digitime's report claims that Apple will reduce the notch size after 4 generations. Apart from the notch size, there is no update on other changes on the design front as of now. The report claiming smaller notch sizes also corroborates with an earlier report from a Japanese blog, Mako Takara, which claimed that the iPhone 13 might retain the chassis of iPhone 12 series while having smaller notches. It speculated that the smaller notch size could be achieved by moving the receiver on top of the display. It added that the Cupertino-based giant would adopt a design change and combined with the dot pattern emitter and the receiver into a single unit. We saw a similar implementation on the LiDAR scanners on the iPhone 12 Pro models. The Japanese blog also said that new iPhones might be thicker than the current ones. The new report also hints that Apple may introduce the sensor shift optical image stabilization seen in 2020's iPhone 12 Pro Max to all 4 models' primary lenses. This means that Apple may upgrade the camera with iPhone 12 Pro Max-like features. However, this seems too good to be true considering Apple kept the best camera tech limited to its top-of-the-line iPhone 12 Pro Max models last year. Based on the new leak, Apple may either move the lens element or the sensor to make up for the camera shake. However, this is just an assumption, and we will have to wait for more reports in the coming weeks to understand the camera changes Apple has and plans to bring to its iPhone 2021 series. Recent rumors have hinted at some significant changes to the camera sensors on the upcoming iPhone 13 series. A recent report citing Ming-Chi Kuo, a reliable Apple analyst, said that Apple might change the aperture size from f2.4 to f1.8, meaning it would let in more light. At the same time, significantly improve low-light photography on the upcoming iPhones. Another report suggested that Apple may bump the number of elements in the lens from the current 5 to 6. And in case you're wondering, this is not the first time we're hearing about the iPhone 13 series. In fact, a few weeks ago, popular tipster John Prosser had claimed Apple is busy building a next-gen iPhone right now, which will be completely portless and will only charge via MagSafe. The information was revealed by the tipster first on Twitter and then added to his YouTube show, The Front Page Tech. However, he said that Apple does not plan to turn all iPhones into wireless ones next year, with the phone maker planning a transition. MagSafe is the bridge between Lightning and portless. It's also the way Apple can keep things somewhat proprietary without giving in to something as universal as USB-C. The tipster further added that this is a piece of information coming from a rock-solid source and had been told to him months ago, with the company still remaining on track with this development. For now, there is little else that's known about the upcoming iPhones. However, as is the case every year, We expect more information about the next iPhones to start coming in as we move further along into the new year. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon to keep up with our latest videos. Stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned.